In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then hit Open under Google. Select Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password over here. Now it's time to input all of those informations. At the top you can type in any website or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!